11 years ago, I traveled to the northern part of Africa, and I got exposed for the first time in my life to people dying of hunger and starvation. I got to see that with my own eyes. That changed my life completely. My name is Alim Bransilla. I'm the Chief Academic Officer at Multnomah University and also a professor in the Master of Arts in Nonprofit Management. I am currently the CEO and founder of Grain for Pain, which is a nonprofit organization. I think my experience with nonprofits has helped me gain a very, very deeper perspective on how nonprofits work and how the role that they have in a society. In the course that I teach, you will be equipped to actually handle or impact sustainable change, to handle any kind of change that comes your way with informed decisions, all from a very strong biblical perspective.